Welcome to the Encounter Report, where one wrong move could change everything. Let's go.
Put both of your hands out the window!
Give me your name. And I'm not going to make it super difficult.
I'm not going to give you my name.
I'm making it very easy for you. You are going to give me your name, or else you're under arrest.
Okay.
An unlawful arrest has pulled the entire Texas police force into the center of a storm.
Explain to me right now. Let them do what they do.
What's going
There's a
on
dog
here?
in the park right now that's supposed to be attended to. Now move hands behind your back right now.
I don't have any weapons. I just came from cop.
When police ignore the law right in the middle of the street, the consequences erupt into a seismic shock that shakes all of Texas.
Let's see
The
what we got,
unfounded
y'all.
demand
Let's
for
go.
ID and ignored evidence turned a simple civil dispute into a tense display of police overreach.
What's going on, man?
Okay.
I'm Officer Hamilton.
Officer, hi, my name is Kevin. Hold on. I'm talking to the Officer Hamilton right now.
I think they said that was in Texas. Yeah.
My nephew's on the truck.
All right.
This is his truck. He lives in this compound. He parks his truck while he makes runs or what have you. So I guess someone saw the truck sitting there for days and figured the truck was abandoned, which is not. This is him on the phone. And the bottom line is there are no signs that says parking here is prohibited. He lives in this compound. I was just walking his dog. I saw the truck.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I don't know. I'm just getting here, man.
Okay, I saw the truck being moved. I called him. I said, hey, did you have someone to pick up the truck? He said, no. So when I walked to the edge, I saw this guy trying to tow the truck. I ran over here and jumped in the truck and told him, you can't tow a truck while somebody's sitting there. It's against the law. I know the law as it pertains to that.
That is very correct, sir. You cannot tow a vehicle if someone is in there. That's why a lot of times you'll see people when they get in when their car is about to get towed, they'll run outside real quick and jump in it. Actually, we had an incident here in Memphis where I'm from. Man, the tow truck guy, he had the car. He was trying to put the chains under the car. The owner of the car, when he jumped in the car, crunk it up and reversed it while the tow truck guy was still under there connecting it to the chains and end up running over that man's head. Like, yeah. Thank God he survived it, but it's a lawsuit still pending with that one as well. But anyway, I digress. Sorry, y'all.
But this is my nephew's truck, and you can't hook it up when somebody's in the truck. That's against the law. I'm telling you. He'll tell you that's against the law.
But you're hooked up right now?
Yes. That's against the law.
So you know, like, you're obstructing. If it's already towing it, you can't just hop
No,
in to
he
stop
wasn't
it.
towing it. No, I got the video. He was up there and he was backing up. And I jumped in the truck and said, this is my nephew's truck. You can't do this.
Oh, wait.
Go ahead.
So that lot is for...
And you know what? I hate them tow truck drivers too. Them tow truck drivers be with the shit sometimes too. They do. I can't stand tow truck drivers. Man, I ain't even finna get into that. I'm just gonna say a tow truck driver, I guess he accidentally tore my brake lines on my car when he towed my vehicle out of the apartments where I stay in. And I stay here. But anyway.
For the dog parking lot, it does not have a limit on how long you can park there. It does not have any signs that says no parking overnight. It doesn't have a sign that says what time.
It's...
Well, city ordinance, you can't park there.
You got to show me. You got to show us that.
All right. Let me roll the window up for you and I'll show you it.
Can you step back? Come to open the door for him, please.
Because you obviously got a key. Roll the window up for me.
Oh.
Big badass tow
Confrontation
truck
escalated
driver.
beyond anything expected as a civil dispute was transformed into an arrest, despite contradictory statements right at the scene.
There you go. An officer slipped a sign on there without knowing, but be that as it may, this is not criminal. This is civil.
Look, but now you're obstructing for the police. This is a police notice.
But the police, hold on. Can you show me an ordinance where it says?
Step out and look. It's not a trick. I'm telling you, step out.
Nobody's gonna get in the truck, bro.
You
I
can't
just
shut
shut
up.
Step
the
out.
Unlawful
Okay,
conduct.
here we go. Here we go.
I know the law. Because the ordinance means lawful.
It is.
This police department.
And what's that date?
This vehicle is violating the city ordinance governing the parking of storage of motor vehicles and is subject to impoundment.
You see?
park overnight in a public park. If it's unlawful, then why wouldn't they have any signs stating as such, Hamilton?
I can move.
It's been up there. If you, hey, listen. If you're trying to tell me he's doing it every day, he's been seeing that.
No, he hasn't seen it.
There's not a way that you don't see that.
No, Hamilton. He's on vacation right now.
You just said that he's been moving in a couple days.
No, I said he's been gone for a few days and he didn't see this.
You said it's only been sitting for a day. Man.
No, Hamilton. I said he's been gone on vacation for a few days. I didn't say a day. So be that as it may, I'm from Chicago. Be that as it may, if you see a person in the process of towing and you get in your vehicle and you stop it, they cannot tow your vehicle.
That is a fact.
This is past the point of
that is a fact. Nope, that is a fact. I will be getting my ass back in that truck, and you finna take me. As soon as you drop this truck, I'm driving off. You finna tow me and the truck. How about that?
He's already hooked up. He's moving.
Man, I don't care. He
hooked up when I got here. You want to show the video? He was up there.
I bet
he was up there.
The handcuffing and street-side search caused the situation to explode, revealing an unnecessary escalation by the authorities.
You get a 48-hour grace period after it was red tagged, okay? So we're way past that point. It's now the 22nd. It was red tagged on the 16th. Actually.
Don't matter. He was in the truck.
She said it was red tag on the 16th. It's an ordinance, and once you listen. No. I know my attorney gonna have a field. I know, but my attorney gonna have a field day with that. You know that.
So let me explain to you what can happen, and this is totally up to the tow truck driver. I'll ask him if he can offer a drop fee. Okay?
We're not paying a drop fee.
Okay, the vehicle's
We
going.
ain't paying nothing.
Okay, the vehicle's going. Let them do what they do. No problem.
Let me get your name before you leave.
I'm not gonna give you my name.
I spoke with you, and you were
I don't answer
you
questions.
need to give me your name, and I'm not going to make it super difficult.
I'm not
for you.
gonna give you my name.
I'm making it very easy.
Now, see, he's trying to walk away. He said, screw it. Take the truck, man. Do what y'all do with it. We'll get it when we get it. He's trying to walk away. Let's see what happens from here.
You're going to give me your name, or else you're under arrest.
Okay.
What?
No, listen. I'm gonna let them arrest me.
Now,
I'm gonna let them arrest me, and then just come to the station.
how about you make it much simpler and just give me your name so that I don't have.
We don't have to give you a name. What are you talking about, lady? What you talking about? Y'all got the truck. He is free to go. See, this that bullshit.
You to jail for this.
Can someone hold my phone? Can you take my phone?
I'll hold your phones so they don't get broke. Sure.
You don't want to just give me your name.
Why do he have to give you his name?
Your daddy can't explain anything right now. Let them do what they do. There's a dog in the park right now that's supposed to be attended to.
You have a dog?
Yes, the dog is over there in the park.
Okay, who's with it now?
It's my nephew's dog, the one on the phone.
Oh man, these folks would have a lawsuit for sure.
Anyone else live at the apartment?
They tripping.
The office, they hear you, you're on speaker.
Okay. Are you going to give me your name?
Welcome to the car.
Talk
Get
to
to
me.
the car.
Are you going to give me your
I don't
name?
ask
Okay,
questions.
you're under arrest. Give me your name. Okay, all right, let's go.
She said he gonna do arrest. She arrested his wife because he would not give her
Truth
his
revealed in the
name.
records forced the charges to disappear, while two officers quietly walked away from their positions, triggering a
Ooh, wait a minute.
shockwave.
Hold on. Let me go back.
The truth revealed in the records forced the charges to disappear, while two officers quietly walked away from their positions, triggering.
See, they got their ass fired playing. And this sis ass tow truck driver right here, he know he could have let the truck down and just been on his way. But anyway, the officers got fired. Good. Because I don't like officers harassing folks. And I got a family full of police officers. I'm damn near for to be the police myself. I ain't for to lie. I just feel like we need more people like me on the streets who go keep it 100 with people, you know what I'm saying, and not let race play an issue. If you're right, you're right. If you're wrong, you getting your ass locked up or whatever go have to happen, But I'm just saying we need more good cops on the streets. We need more officer friendlies. That's what we need. The community are now scared of the police. We need to get it back where the police are friends in the community and people are not afraid to call the police like when they need something. I know a lot of people see crimes going on and they don't want to call the police because they don't trust the police. Like, we gotta stop that.
Shockwave through Texas law enforcement.
So she was fired eventually. She got fired.
212 Sigma 40, 1145.
Do you have ID on you at all? I don't know if it would be anywhere else. Okay, are you going to identify yourself? Well, they're going to fingerprint you. What do you want to find out? Okay.
I'll just add failed ID.
That's exactly what I'm doing.
There you go. Alright,
I tried
so
to warn this dude, man.
now he's playing the game.
Here's the whole problem.
In a
Once
silly
y'all
way.
gave me ownership of the vehicle, I've had the vehicle for 20 minutes before you even showed up. It doesn't matter if I'm hooked to it or not, buddy. I already took ownership from the police department.
I figured.
Bruh, stop it. If you been sitting there 20 minutes, bro, you would have been gone. Man, quit all that lying, bro. You capping. You ain't finna tell me you finna sit there 20 minutes, man, with the truck up and not move, bro. I know how tow truck drivers work. Man, y'all get a vehicle, man, and y'all on y'all way. Man, stop playing, bro. 20 minutes, bro. Stop it.
I mean, it looks hooked to me.
Well, he got me as I was backing up to hook to it. So I had to pull over here because I didn't have enough room to pull it out of there. She knows that. And I drove it out here. I parked here. I got in my truck to realign to it. And I was backing up. And he was like, this is my nephew's.
Man, and you can't tow it, bro. You cannot tow it. You can't tow it, bro. I don't care how you try to fix it. You cannot tow that truck once you get in that truck, bro.
And everything, but this is a Penske truck. So that means the only person I can release this vehicle to is the person who's on the Penske contract. So either way, there's no...
so you couldn't even done the drop fee?
I couldn't even done it for him.
Well,
Yeah. You can do what you want to do. You just being a dickhead.
he was able to see everything
all
today. It's like all you have to do is move the thing.
One thing about cars,
So-
it always spin the block.
Bert Gibbons.
Bert, you said?
Yes, ma'am. B-E-R-T.
B-E-R-T.
Yes, ma'am. G-I-B-B-O-N-S.
O-N-S.
Yes, ma'am.
What's
That's crazy.
what is a good number?
682. Or just call the office.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Am I free to go back to what I was doing?
Resume your duties.
Thank you.
Sorry that happened.
Yeah,
In Texas,
whatever.
officers who make unlawful arrests can face civil lawsuits, lose qualified immunity, be held personally liable for damages, face internal discipline, risk losing their license, and even be criminally charged with official oppression. The officers now face civil lawsuits, the risk of losing qualified immunity, personal financial liability, and a permanent record of misconduct. Up next, a driver returning from Costco was suddenly stopped at gunpoint and threatened with his life during a traffic stop, tensed as a drawn bowstring.
Now this should be pretty interesting.
Window down! Put the window down! Put the window down! Put the window down! Put the window down! Put both of your hands out the window right now! Put both of your hands out the window! I got
House.
you with an outside hand. Reach out, open the door. Watch your crossfire. Okay, real slow, left hand, do it from the inside. You come out with a gun, we are going to end you. Do you understand? There you go. There you go. Come on out.
Can y'all please cut this out now?
Put it in park. Put it in park. Real slow.
sorry, man.
Real slow. I'm gonna shoot you in your head if you come up with anything other than that.
All because of two matching letters on a license plate. Officers launched into action as if chasing armed suspects, setting the stage for the most serious mistake of their shift.
Siren! Left hand, real slow across your body. Undo your seatbelt. I got you. You look at me and nobody else. You do what I say, you'll be okay. Real slow, come out of that car. You guys got cover? Got cover. I got. Face away from me. Face away from me. Face that car. Walk back to me, real slow. Real slow. Real slow. Now move, hands behind.
At this point, I just would have been like, bro, y'all got y'all guns drawn on me, bro. Really? This is insane.
Right now. Oh, correct, man. I don't have any weapons. I just came from Costco, dude.
Do not move. Do not move. 61 to 10.
You guys gotta be.
Man, it's always got to be a tough cop, man.
Down, my man. We're gonna explain everything in a minute. Explain everything in a minute. We're gonna do it safe.
Charlie Nora 49263.
Breathing hard, ain't it, boy?
Chaotic commands, racking weapons, and an officer's panic turned an innocent citizen into a target in an instant. Inside the police station, right there.
Hey, Tom, this is the right car. That's not the right car.
What did you say? Not the right
This is the
car.
wrong car. CSF 794663. Yeah, this is the wrong car.
We're all good.
This is the wrong car.
Of course not.
Yes, it is.
See,
Look at
plate
your
don't
face.
The last 4 or 5 are wrong. It's the wrong plate.
When they rechecked the vehicle, a startling
See? Tough guy. Look at the tough guy. Pulling people over for no reason.
discovery stopped every officer in their tracks, and the truth began to surface in a way no one expected.
take him out. Wrong car. Take him out. Wrong car.
No. You take him out. No, they need to make him take him out. You take him out. How about that? You take him out.
Hop on, man. Place the car. What's the deal? We're taking out of handcuffs.
You go apologize?
Okay, I'm going to give you some information on who I am. We'll talk about what's going on, okay? But I want to take care of these handcuffs first. Oswego PD had a shooting. Car plates. The car is the same as yours. Plates match with... Wait, hold on. Hold on.
Man, plates don't match, bro.
Look at me.
No.
Plates match. 2 of them are off. All right? That's why you're placed in handcuffs.
Nah.
We thought you were the guy.
No,
all right? You're not. I understand that. All right? Hey, listen, look at me. I this up. Understand that? I'm going to give you my card. This is on me.
Absolutely.
Absolutely on me.
Yeah, it's on you.
Y'all threatening to shoot me in the head and shit.
Nah, yeah, all
Put your
that.
hands up. Like,
You're right.
This is ridiculous.
Okay, well, listen.
This is ridiculous. I've been out here for 15 fucking years and never have I once in my life. My man, nothing, dude.
You have to look at it.
My man, nothing, dude. That shit.
He's got every right to.
Unacceptable.
You are absolutely
Especially you, Harvey. Especially you, bro.
Okay. All right.
That is.
Okay,
My
that's all you
name
gotta
is
say.
Derek
Okay.
House, man. I've been out here. I lived in Woodridge for 10. I've been in Downers Grove for 3, man. I'm a upstanding citizen. My kids go to school here. I'm well respected. That's wrong.
You're right.
You don't do that. You don't do that.
Well,
The cuffs came off. A shocking admission was spoken, setting the stage for a $500,000 lawsuit that would shake the department.
all right, guys, and I'm gonna end it there, man. Let me know what y'all think about that in the comments. Man, I feel the cop should apologize to that man. He didn't. He tried to sidestep the apology. He should be like, look, I'm sorry, man. You know what I'm saying? And he ain't do that. They never do. But anyway, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification and stay tuned for my next video. And I just want to say thank you guys for stopping by as well. If y'all want to say anything in the comments, man, make sure y'all leave a comment. I do read them all. I try to respond to them all. And appreciate y'all. Have a great day.